Good morning, good morning. Thank you so much for stopping by Moola Meme Craigslist Cash. If you haven't got Moola Meme yet, you need to pick this product up. It's great. Today, I want to show you how I was able to post a $3 Craigslist ad advertising Moola Meme and make money off their Moola Meme referral program. So today, if you want this case study to see another additional way that you can make Moola Meme money using their Moola Meme referral program on Warrior Plus, pick up your copy today of Moola Meme Craigslist Cash, and I'll show you the exact ad that I used to make $325 in 2 days on Craigslist and using Moola Meme. Thanks again, guys, for stopping by. And if you haven't got Moola Meme, there's a link somewhere on here where you can get our secret discount. And then purchase Moola Meme Craigslist Cash today, and you'll see so much extra commissions from this great product that just came out a couple of days ago. See you on the other side.